Hi students, good evening everyone. Welcome to the second day of TCS NQT preparation. This is session 2. Guys, we have the huge collection of these kind of questions what we are doing every seminar. Okay, clear? Let's sort of move forward, guys. Let me just try to show you here. Here's a big wall. This is what the big wall, guys. This is a big wall, and this wall is constructed with small bricks. You all know that. Okay, I'm trying to answer this question. Everybody have a look here. This big wall is made up of bricks. How many bricks? We have no idea. There's like this, he is using a number of bricks over here. Are understanding a number of bricks he is using here, but how many bricks he is using, we have no idea. So how to do is what? We have to find out what is the volume of the wall. We are supposed to find out the volume of the wall, and we are supposed to find out the volume of the brick. Are you understanding, everybody? So here it's not the area, you are supposed to find out the volume of the wall and the volume of the brick. Yes or no? Mayank is saying answer is 40. Let's sort of see Mayank, and Shubham says the answer is 45. It's okay, Shubham. Let's sort of move forward now, everybody. Okay. Now, how to find out the volume of the wall? Okay. So volume of the wall is what? Volume can be found out length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Are you understanding, guys? Let's sort of find out the volume. The volume he told you this is 30. It's mentioned here. This is 30, and this is he told you 6. And the height, let's sort of call about this is 12. Following everyone? Clear? Let's sort of find out now. So the volume is 30 meter into multiplied by 12 meter into 6 meter. I'm telling you meter. Are you understanding, everybody? When you multiply all these things, this is a volume of the wall. Is it fine, everyone? But do you think the whole volume is made up of bricks? No. Here in between, if you just try to see, here cement is also there. Somewhere they are just filling the cements to just try to have the stickiness. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye dekhte hain. So how much of the things are 60% of the wall? 60% of the wall made up of bricks. So we have to multiply 60% of this wall. This is what about the wall, guys. I hope you all people are understanding. This is 60% of the wall. Now this wall is made up of bricks. So each brick length, breadth, height is also given to you. The length is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter, and breadth is 6 centimeter, and the height is also 6 centimeter. So we should find out what is the volume of this brick. We are supposed to find out the volume of this brick. So volume of the wall you are finding right now, guys. Volume of the wall you are finding right now. That is this one. And volume of the brick I am finding. So how to find out the volume of the brick? This is length into breadth into height. You all know that is a formula you are supposed to use. So one thing you should understand, that this is length, this is breadth, this is height, this is the volume. So like this you'll get the number of bricks. I hope you all people are understanding this. Is that fine, everybody? But the small thing you should remember that is about, here he told you, so this is centimeter, this is meter. So do you think that you can cancel these two? No, guys. No, you cannot cancel these two. Why? क्यों नहीं कर सकते बताइए? ये है centimeter और ये है meter. You cannot cancel. So what we are supposed to do is what? Convert everything into centimeter or everything into meter. It's up to you. So what I'm doing now, I'm just trying to multiply here 0, 0. Means what? Why I'm to multiply 0? Because you all know that 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter, guys. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. So 30 meter is 3000 centimeter. And the next one is 1200, and the third one is what? 600. Now by multiplying this 0, 0 means you are multiplying 0, 0. By this you are coming across that everything into centimeter right now. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. Now it's time for dividing. It's easily cancel. Now 6 get cancelled, guys. Here it's 100. Now here 6 ones are 6 twos. So this is 200, guys, and it goes in this thing. 0, 0 get cancelled with this 0, 0 get cancelled. 2 4s are 2 15s, and you can go with this thing 2 2s, 200s. Are you understanding, everybody? Now last 2 ones are 2 30s. Good. Now what is left, guys? What is left here? The things is left is 30, 15, these 2 zeros. Sorry, I mean it is not these two. These 2 zeros and these 2 zeros. When my all these things will get the answer. Yes, Aniket is getting clear. So 30 into this one is how much, guys? 15 3s are 45. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. These 2 zeros, these 2 zeros. Hope you're understanding this. Now you can understand that it is in 45. Answer is 45 lakh, guys. 45 lakhs. So we can say answer is A. And I believe that everybody have understood this question. This kind of question is from, volumes. So you may be given the wall and a brick, or you may be given something like, a sphere is converted into wire. That kind of questions might also be given to you, or a cone is embedded in a cylindrical. This kind of volumes are very, very important, guys. Okay. So as he told you that, these, three-dimensional geometry questions might also come in this kind of thing. Are you understanding? Like previous year, we have got it. Guys, let's sort of move forward now. Let's sort of move forward now here. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, just try to have a look, everybody. This question is given to you. What is said in this question? Have a look here. A basket, the balls in the basket becomes double every minute. First minute, second minute, it is double. Third minute, it's double. The basket is getting full in 1 hour. 1 hour means how many, guys? 60 minutes. In 1 hour, it will be 100% full. Now, what is he asking the question? In how much time the basket was 1/32 full? This kind of questions will be given to you. Okay, clear? So what do I ask you to do? Just try to have a answer this question, guys. As you people are having a knowledge, okay, please try to answer this question. Make it faster, everyone. Okay, and the basket is full in how much time, guys? 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So we wanted to find out what is 1/32 full. Guys, have a look here. It is becoming double every minute. Have a look here. Let's sort of say that these are all the basket. Listen, everybody. I'm teaching you. Okay, just try to understand that. Suppose you have got one ball here. For the first minute, we have got one ball. Next minute, it become double, guys. Second minute. Now, third minute, guys, if you just try to see here, it will become double. Means how many balls? 4 balls now. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Now, here, whatever, here, suppose you have 10 balls. Then you will be having 20 balls, then 40 balls, then 80 balls, then 160 balls, then 320 balls, like this. Double, 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 double. It's getting double every minute. Following, everybody is getting double every minute. And he gave you a hint. He gave you a hint that in 1 hour, the basket is full. Are you understanding, everybody? In 1 hour, 1 घंटे में क्या हो रहा है? 1 घंटे में क्या हो रहा है? The basket is becoming full, guys. So let's try to see here. Here it is full in 1 hour. So believe that this is full. It is getting full in 1 hour. 1 hour means what, guys? 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, it is getting full. Are you understanding? So the basic concept is here. He told you double, 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 double. So this is what the concept says. So what do I do, guys? I'll come back. If this was full in the last just 1 minute before, guys, 59th minute, do you think it was 90%? Is it 80%? Or it was, like a 30% or 10%? No. If you are full, if you are 100%, you are full in the 60 minute, just 1 minute before, guys, just 1 minute before, you were not full, you were half. Because you only told, sir, from half it will become double, from double we have to come back. Vinay says, Pakka, that is half, guys. Very good, okay. So, 59th minute you were half. If I ask you, guys, what is 58th minute? Come on, guys. What is the 58th minute? Do you think it was half? No, guys. It was not half, as some people say that it was quarter. तुम लोग जानते हो ना quarter? बस वही quarter है ये वाला. Yes or no? Every minute, you have become double, double, double. Are you understanding, everybody? Double, double. So we are coming back full to half, half to quarter, quarter to what? So after quarter, quarter means 1/4, guys. So after this, do you think again it was how much? It was 1/8. When it was in 1/8, 57th minute, it was 1/8. I hope you have understood now. Before 1/8, it was 1/8. No, half of half. When you say double, 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 I'll go back half, half, half. So half of 1/8, guys, is 1/16. सब लोग जानते हैं. So that 1/16th, it was in the 56th minute. So in 55th minute, it was not 1/16, guys. It was half of 1/16. You can also call it as 1/32. So you ask me 1/32. I am also saying 1/32. At what time it was there, guys? 55 minutes. I hope everybody have understood this. It's not that difficult, guys. What I mean to say that you should have this kind of, like a thinking, I mean to say. In the competitive exams, whenever you have been these kind of questions, we should not take let the number be x, or we should not take something else. So when he said something like double, 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 we should be going with the half, half, half. I think you all people are understanding this. Yes or no? Come on, guys. Again, let me just try to type. Say yes or no. This is what the protocol we always follow. Okay. तुमको समझ में आता है तो yes दबाए, नहीं आया तो just try to type on no. People are saying yes. That's good. Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Okay. Chaliye, guys, we have done this kind of question. Let's try to move forward now. Let's try to move forward now. Based on the same concept, guys. Based on the same concept, I'm going to give you one more question. Karoge? Karoge? Karo? This was the question which was given last time. What did it say here? Adam sat with his friends in a Chinnaswamy Stadium in Madurai to watch 100-meter running race organized by the Asian Athletic Association. So this was the race competition in Chinnaswamy Stadium in Madurai. Okay, everybody. So 5 rounds were run. He told everywhere 5 rounds were run. After every round, half of the team were eliminated. Means here half, 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 half. Kuch samjhe? Yes. This is what your brain should speak about. Half, 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 half. मैंने बोला है. अब तुम क्या बोलोगे तुमको पता है. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? So finally one team wins the game. So he's asking you how many teams were participated in the race. Come on, guys. You can do it. Make it faster. Finally one team have won the game. So we must know in these 5 rounds how many teams were there. People are saying 32. Are you sure it's B, guys? That's good. So people can use this one. This was one, the final team. The last round, guys, in the last round, you just try to come back here. 2 teams were there. How many? 2 teams. When you told me half going like this, I'll go double like this. When you say half going, I prefer double. That's good, Akash. That's good. Okay, good. It was double. 2 teams were there. 2 teams were there. Okay, before that, the one more round, how many teams were there, sir? 4 teams. Are you understanding? Before that, one more round, 8 teams were there. So guys, how many? This is the last one. 5th match, 4th match, 3rd match. Are you understanding? One more. Here, how many, guys? 16 teams were there in the 2nd round. And here, 1st round, how much? 32 teams. And I believe you all people have understood that. Here we have got 5 rounds, so we can simply say double. Answer is what? 32. Some people say, sir, aise bhi kar sakte na 2 par 5 rounds. Yes, you can say like this, 32 teams. Are you understanding? Why 2? Because you're saying double. Why 5? Because the number of matches. Are you understanding, everybody? Not matches, the rounds also you can call. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, let's move forward now. This was an interesting question, an important question. Listen it very carefully. क्या बोल रहा है यहाँ पर? 2 cars A and B start from the same time from town X and town Y. Are you understanding, everybody? We have got here 2 towns, town X and town Y. 2 cars are moving from town X, town Y towards each other. Want to see this car? Yes, have a look at this car. Like this, 2 cars are moving towards each other. Are you understanding, everybody? Like this, they are moving towards each other. Are you understanding, everybody? Have a look now. Okay, what did it say here? After they pass each other, means when they meet somewhere, after they pass each other, car A and car B took X hours and 8 hours to reach Y and X towns respectively. Means after they meet, the time taken by them, after they meet, the time taken by them is X hours and 8 hours to reach the other ends. Are you understanding? He told you the speed of the car B, the second car, is 25% more. More is nothing but, guys, more is nothing but extra. क्या बोल रहा है वो? 25% more. Guys, 25% more means extra. Compared to car A. Means suppose here it is 100, the speed is 100, so 25% more. What it will be, guys? It is 125 extra. I hope you're understanding. Suppose you're 10. So 10, 25% is 2.5. It will be 12.5. Suppose the speed is 1. Here it will not be 1. 25% extra means what? 1.25. So this is the relationship between the speed. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye, no worries. Okay. So what did he ask you? What is the value of x? Are you understanding, everybody? What is the value of x? So these kind of questions were given to you, but rather than learning the in-depth concept of this thing, we can just try to use this in a very small tricky formula. But let me just try to explain what the question is all about once again with the help of diagram, guys. Okay. Now, क्या बोल रहा है? देखिए, two cars started from town A and town B towards each other. Like this, they have started and they met somewhere over here. After they meet, okay, the first car took how much time, guys? X hours. And the second car took how much time, guys? 8 hours. This timing is not after, from the beginning to end. Okay, this X hours is not from starting to the last point. This X hours is after meeting. This is after meeting. The first car took how much time? X hours to reach the other end. After meeting, the second car takes 8 hours to meet the other end. So what is the value of A? Sorry, what's the value of what, guys? X. Following, everybody? Clear? So like this, after passing each other. Are you understanding, everybody? After passing each other, this is happening. Are you understanding, everybody? Like this, they are going. This is going in X hours. This is reaching in 8 hours. Are you understanding, everybody? So this kind of things have happened. So whenever you have been given after passing each other, so use a small shortcut formula here. S1 by S2 is equal to under root of T2 by T1. So if you do with the help of concept also, it does the same thing, but this is the last step of the concept. Following, everybody? So better we can remember. Okay, now speeds have been given, not given, but relationship is given to you. Car B is 125% more than the car A. Are you understanding, everybody? If the car A speed is 100 km per hour, car B will not be 100. It is 25% extra, 25 km per hour. And I believe you can do this thing. Yes or no? Have a look here. S1 is 100 divided by S2. S2 is 125. These are the times after meeting point. Remember, guys, after meeting, they are reaching what time? That times are calculated here. Following? Now, let's try to see T2. T2 is what? This is T1 time. This is T2 times. Okay, so T1 is X and T2 is 8. Hope you people have understood this. So solving this, you'll get the answer, guys. Let's try to calculate this one. This is 4. This is 5. So 4 by 5 is equal to under root of 8 by X. When this square root goes here, it will become square. That is 16 by 25 is equal to 8 by X. So we can cancel this. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So 2 ones are 12.5. So guys, we can simply say X value is 21.5 km per hour. I hope answer is not given, but it's both are same answers, which I have typed. So this is a missing here. So answer is 12.5. So which I have not. You can just add on 12.5. Are you understanding, everybody, that 0.5 have missed to just try to keep it on the screen? Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? So this kind of question is given to you, guys. When to use this thing? Whenever you have the time after meeting point. This is a small thing. You should never forget this. Are you understanding, everybody? Chaliye. So I believe that you people have understood this. If you people have understood this, I just want to ask you to do one more question. guys. चलिए, आके ये कार भी जा रहे हैं और तुम भी आगे जाइए और करो एक और प्रश्न करो. Similar kind of question. Make it faster, guys. Let me check. तुमको आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है? That's good, guys. Always, try to do the questions faster in the live examinations, and where you should not just try to, think about much. TCS काफी easy होता है. It's not like that. It's a very difficult kind of things. But yes, you are supposed to have the knowledge of all the concepts. Okay, not the regular questions. Some were extra questions. So programming, though, you're always following. Clear? That's though you're preparing on that end. That's good. You're getting the perfect answer. S1 by S2 is equal to under root of T2 by T1. What is S1? I have no idea. Following everybody? Do you? Yes. S1 speed is 18. S2 I have no idea, under root of T2 by T1. First time is what? 16 by 3. Second time is what? 27. So can you just try to put here, this is 27. The second time is what? 27. And the first time is what? 16 by 3. I hope everybody is understanding this. 18 divided by S2 must be equal to, this goes here, that is 81 by 16. So believing this, you can get the answer. 18 by S2 is equal to root 81 is 9, guys, and root 16 is 4. 9 ones are 9 twos. To value is 8 km per hour. Are you understanding, everybody? So that's good, guys. Many people are getting. So when to use this thing? ये कब करना है? इसको कब इस्तेमाल करना है? This have to be done when only this kind of things are given to you. After passing each other, whenever this kind of concept is given, you are supposed to use this kind of things. Are you understanding? So answer is not Bangladesh, guys. Answer is Bangalore. India में हो तो इंडिया की बात करो. Okay, Vinay, everybody, I believe everybody is understanding this. Yes or no? Chaliye, let's try to move forward now. Let's try to have half of the questions we have done, guys. So let's try to go for the other half of the question. This is from, permutation and combinations. What did it say here? We have seen the number plates, guys. This kind of number plates are there for every vehicle, like, MH23, this kind of, or else if you are living some in Bhopal, you will see MP11. If you are living in Telangana, it shows TS23. Agar tum Tamil Nadu mein reh rahe ho, TN11. So similar kind of question is given to you. What did it say in this question? Have a look here. How many such number plates can be formed if a number plate have two English alphabets? Two English alphabets like this. Two English alphabets followed by 2-digit number. Followed by a 2-digit number. So this kind of question has been given to you. How many such number plates are formed? 100, 200, 300. So you are supposed to use the English alphabets and you're supposed to use digits. So first you should have two English alphabets followed by, you all know that, followed by the one which comes next, followed by a 2-digit number. So in this thing, it clearly told that repetition of digits is not allowed. Repetition of digits is not allowed. So how many such number plates can be formed? Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? So we are supposed to use the letters and digits. Okay, that's good. So as you all know that, how many letters are there, guys? 26. 26 letters are there. And digits are 9, people say, but it's not 9, 10, 0 is also included. 0 can also be there in the number plate. So there are, 26 alphabets. People are saying answer is Delhi. Are you sure it's Delhi? For BR, BR. That's good. For Rajasthan, RJ. Very good, Sakshi. You got the answer as Agra. Chaliye, guys, people are saying different types of answers. Some people are saying Agra, some people are saying Delhi. Following, everybody? Yes. These are the kind of questions which you should remember. Chaliye, guys, 2 alphabets you have to carry from here, followed by 2 digits. Where he told you very clearly that a repetition of digits is not possible. Are you understanding, everybody? So let's try to see here. Suppose now we are talking of filling, arranging all the letters. Suppose if you think that the letter A is here, letter B can also be here, letter C can also be here, D can also be here, E, F, G, H, not 0. I understand till Z. So how many ways we can arrange? 26 people have a chance to sit here. Are you understanding, everybody? Suppose you think that A is sitting here. Don't you think that A can be repeated once again here? Yes, he can be repeated once again here. So again, 26 cases are there. So you can have a number plate with AA, AB, AC, AD, BB. So repetitions is okay over here. Following, everybody. Now let's talk about digits. So if you think that, number 1 can be here. Letters cannot be here, guys. Letters are over, followed by digits. So it can be 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 can also be here. So how many combinations are there? 10 cases. Are you understanding, everybody? 10 cases are there. Are you understanding, everybody? That's good. So for example, if 1 is sitting here, guys, can you think 1 can be repeated here? No, because he told you repetition of digits is not allowed. So this digit cannot be repeated. Rest of all the 9 digits are repeated. Suppose you have got number 3 sitting here. Except 3, remaining all people are repeated here. Are you understanding, everybody? So 9 cases. So we can simply say that answer is 26 into 26 into 10 into 9. The best answer is what? Bangalore. Alphabets repetition is possible. Understood. Because he did not mention anything about the alphabets. Clear? So what you say that only repetition of digits is not allowed. A good question, everyone. That's good, students. I believe you have understood this question. Okay, this is one of the important questions. Suppose in case, let's try to have a small variation here. Suppose he told you the question something like this. Repetition is not allowed. The word repetition is not allowed. So abhi kya hoga? Let's try to have a combination here. Repetition itself is not allowed. He did not mention any alphabets. He did not mention any digits. Just repetition is not allowed. So we can say that all the 26 people can sit here. Suppose A sits here. Do you think A can be sitting once again here? Once again A can be sitting here? No, that is not allowed. He told you repetitions itself is not allowed. At that point of time, guys, here you have 25 cases. Anybody else can sit here. B can sit here, but A cannot be repeated. फिर क्या करते हैं here? Now let's talk about digit. So suppose you think that the digit 3 is here. The digit 3 is here. Suppose you have got 10 cases. Do you think the digit 3 can be here as well? No, it's not repeated. So we can say the answer is 26, 25, 10, 9. Are you understanding, everybody? Then some people are saying A is the answer. Might be, yes. Then it is possible that A is the answer, Revati. Following, everybody. Important questions, guys. Whatever you say this session 2, whatever you say this session 2, whatever you're learning are the important questions. Are you understanding? Don't miss all these things, guys. Let's sort of move across to the question number 7. Following, everyone? Chaliye. Now, in this question number 7, this question is purely from probability. This question is purely from probability. What did he say here? There are 13 bulbs in which 5 are defective. Means overall 13 bulbs are there. In which 5 are defective. You know, defective means the one which are not working fine. 5 are defective. So how many are non-defective, guys? Non-defective. Is it 5? No, 8. So there are overall 13 bulbs. In there are 5 are defective, 8 are non-defective. You can call good bulbs as well. है ना? फिर क्या बोल रहा है? 3 bulbs are chosen at random. Not 1, not 2. 3 bulbs are chosen at random. So you have to make an understanding that these 3 out of 3 are what kind of bulbs we don't know. He told you 3 bulbs are chosen at random. What's the probability that exactly one is defective? Not 2, not 3. Only one of them should be defective. So out of these 3, only one should be defective. So do you think what about the rest of the bulbs? We want altogether 3. We want altogether 3, guys. So when only one is defective, I guess the remaining 2 bulbs are still pending. So do you think the remaining 2 bulbs should be from defective case? No, the remaining 2 should be from non-defective. I hope you're understanding this. Clear? So this can be done purely by selection process. Following, everybody. So we want the probability of finding this. So out of 8 bulbs, you are supposed to find out 2 bulbs which are non-defective. Out of 5 defective, you're supposed to find out 1 defective, because he told you exactly 1 defective, guys. So how many ways you can choose 2 bulbs from 8 bulbs? That is 8C2. We can call 8C2 into how many bulbs you can choose 1 from 5 defective bulbs? That is 5C1. So this is the condition what he is told. Exactly 1 defective is satisfying divided by total probability. This is the favorable case, guys. Total probability. Total how many bulbs are there? 13 bulbs are there. In this 13 bulbs, overall you are choosing 3 bulbs. This is 13C3. I believe you have understood this. So I think you can just solve this question and just try to get the answer. 13C2, 13 12 cross 11 by 1, 2, 3. Following, everybody, it's time for calculation, guys. These two will get cancelled. 4 2s or 4 3s or 3 3 will get cancelled. There's nothing else. People are getting 70. Yes. 2, 5, 10. That's good. 70 across 143. Are you understanding, everybody? 70 across 143. So this is the chance of getting exactly one defective. I believe you all people are understanding this 7th question. More 3 questions to go, guys. How many questions are there? More 3 questions are there. Just try to learn all these 3 questions, then we can move forward. Following everybody, chaliye guys, let's try to move forward now. This is a question which was given from percentages. Following. So this was a question given from percentages. It seems to be a little important. What did it say here? In a certain city, we have no idea what city is that. 60% of the registered voters are party A supporters. They are going to support for party A, and the remaining people, how many are there? I don't know. The remaining all people are party B supporters. Some are party A supporters and some are party B supporters. Okay, so the elections have come right now. In that particular election, 75% of the registered party A voters are voting for party A, and the 20% of the registered party B voters, that are supporters, are expected to vote for candidate A. Are you understanding, everybody? So they are expected to vote for candidate A. So our question is, what percent of the total registered voters are expected to vote for candidate A? We have no idea. So what do? Let the number of voters be X, the registered voters. Let the number of voters be X. Students, shall we do in this method? No. This kind of things comes in RS Agarwal, yes or no? So this kind of X concept we are not using always. You all know that, okay? So let the number of voters be 100. Assume that, guys, let the number of voters be 100. Following everybody? Yes, that's good. So there are party A, party B. So how many people are going to support? 60% of the voters are registered for party A. Means what? 60 people are registered for party A and the rest for party B. This is rest is 40. Hope it is very clear to you. That's good. Now guys, it's time for the elections. Now elections have come. So candidate A is standing over there. He needs support. He is a candidate A. He needs support, guys. This fellow needs support. Following everybody? Yes. Who is supporting him? Have a look here. 75% of the party A supporters are voting him. Not all. Everybody is not going in his favor. How many people are going in his favor? 75%. So we are supposed to calculate 75% of these people are going to vote for him. And in turn, B is also voting for him. How much? 20% of the party B supporters. Not all the party B supporters are in favor of A candidate. How many people, guys? 20% of the party B supporters are in favor of this thing. So we have to find out how many votes are captured by him. Are you understanding, everybody? Many people are saying answer is 53. Hopefully you people are right. So let's check it out here. We are supposed to calculate 75% of 60. We don't know what is 75% of 60. Believe that this 60 is assumption, it's 100%. How much percent? 100%. If this 60 is acting like 100%, for example, tell me what is 50% of this 60? That is very simple. That is 30, guys. Understanding? What is 25% of this thing? Half of this is half of this. Half of this. What is that? 15. So what do you want? You want 75%. So 75% is nothing but 50%, 25%, 30, and this thing. So we can say it is 45. 45 people are going to vote for him. How many people, guys? 45 people vote for him from A. Now let's calculate 20%. 20% of 40. How to calculate 20% of 40? For 2 seconds, you assume all this 100%. 100% is 40 students. Imagine 100% is 40. I want 20% of that. I don't know what is 20% of that. So students, simply say, what is 10%? 10% is nothing but just remove 1 0, guys. When you remove 1 0, it will be 4. So 10% is 4, 20% is 8. Simple. So 8 people are going to vote for him from party B. So overall, how many votes he got? He got 53 votes. Are you understanding? What did he ask you? What percent of the registered voters? So total registered voters are 100. Total registered voters are 100. In that, how many are expected to vote for candidate A? So how many people? So 43 or 53? 53. So 53, we can say 53%. In cent people, 53 people are expected to vote. So answer is A, as all people are saying. Are you understanding, everybody? So this kind of things must require the calculations. What we learn in our regular classes, these type of calculations are very mandatory to do these kind of questions little faster. We are not using X, students. Why we are not using X? Because that is a traditional way. That's like a very old methodology. Why you are using 100? Because he told what? Percent. He told you percent. When somebody said percent, you take per 100. Are you understanding? So this makes you go faster. I believe everybody have got it. Answer is A. That is Agra. Are you understanding, guys? That's good. Let's sort of move forward now. Okay, this was the question which you can just try to have a look, everybody. 1/4 of the tank contains fuel. How much, guys? Let's sort of believe that this is a tank. 1/4, you all know that. How much, guys? 1/4. So 11 liters are poured. 11 liters are poured into the container. So the indicator is showing to half mark. The indicator is showing to the half mark. So what's the capacity of the tank? Just try to find out, everybody. Make it faster. Chennai. Are you sure answer is Chennai? That's good. How the answer is Chennai? Have a look here. How much you are pouring? 11 liters. When you just try to pour 11 liters, that 1/4 means how much? 25% was there. Now it became half. Half means how much, guys? 50%. So if I'm just to ask you, if you just try to pour 1/4, so this is filled right now till here. This is 11 liters, guys. Very simple. Previously it was 25% of the tank. Now if you pour 11 liters, it becomes 50% of the tank. So can you just try to tell me how much it is jump? 25%. So that 25%, it is increasing simple because of 11 liters. So I want the total capacity of the tank. The total capacity is what, guys? 100% of the water I want. 100% of the tank is how much? So in this 25% it increased because of 11 liters. So 100% will be definitely 4 times 44 liters. I hope you people are understanding. Answer is Chen. It's small question but little tricky question. You know, the people who have understood this kind of things, that's good. Previously it was 1/4. When you drop in 11 liters, it becomes 50%. Means the hike is 25% hike. That is 1/4 hike. Are you understanding, guys? Yes, that's good. Okay, we have done the question number 9. Many people say answer is C. That's good. Now this is what the question you can expect from geometry. What did you say here? What is the length of the longest pole that can be placed in an indoor stadium of 24-meter long and 18-meter wide and 16-meter height? Are you understanding, everybody? Yes or no? Now have a look here. So this is a, you can call, this is nothing but this is what? This is what? A indoor stadium. In this thing, the long is 24 meter and 18 meter and the height is 16 meter. So this is a big stadium. It's like a cuboid. It's a room. It's not a cube. It's a room. Okay. So this is one side. I don't want you to find out the diagonal of the floor. I don't want you to find out the diagonal of the front wall. I don't want you to find out the diagonal of the side wall. I wanted to find out the longest pole that can be placed in this indoor stadium. So the longest pole, if you want, you should not see the floor, you should not see the wall, you should not see the side wall. What you should do, you should take one corner. You should take one corner of the room to another top corner, not the bottom corner, guys. You are supposed to see the top corner. So this you need to have. I hope you are understanding that. As this is 3-dimensional, guys, as it is 3-dimensional, your imagination should be from here to here. So this is what the longest pole you can say. How to find out the diagonal is very simple. The diagonal can be found. The diagonal of a room is under root of L square plus B square plus H square. Under root of L square plus B square plus H square. It's a diagonal of the cuboid or diagonal of the room, diagonal of the stadium, whatever you call. And here the L value is nothing but 24. So 24 square plus 18 square and the height is 16 square. So using this, you can find out that rod, that pole, that you can place it here. In short, you can do it much faster. That is 24 square is 576, guys. Plus this is 324. And this is, you know that, 256. So we are supposed to find out the addition of all these things. I don't have any idea. Do you guys, anybody here in the session who can just tell me what is the sum of all these things? Yes, 576 along with 324. I think this is 900. 900 plus 256 is what? 1156. So 1156 is a perfect square root of what? 34. So the pole should be 34 meter long. Are you understanding, everybody? Yes. Whenever this kind of things are there, you must use this kind of things to make it faster. I hope you all people have understood this. Say yes or no. That's good. That's good. Very good, guys. So what you have done in today's session, I'll just try to have a recap of all these things here. In this thing, you have done a wall-based question, guys. Clear? Following everybody. So we have done this kind of question, guys, and then we have done the question based on, double, then half. This kind of trick you have learned. In the previous session, you have learned the concept based on divisibility. Here, this new concept we have learned today. Okay, and then next, what did we learn, guys? This is the team. When you said double, you went half. Here, half, you went double. Are you understanding, everybody? Then we have done the question which is based on this. Many people have tried to understand this. When to use this kind of stuff, guys. I repeat once again, when to use this kind of stuff. These kind of stuffs are very important. Have a look here. Whenever the two cars meet, after they meet each other, the first car takes how much time, guys? The first car takes how much time? X hours, and the second time it's taking 8 hours. So whenever these kind of things are there, you have to use this kind of things to make it faster. T2 by T. Are you understanding, everybody? We have done all these things, guys, and the next one we have done the permutation combination based question. Then we have done the question based on probability, and then we have done the question based on percentages. Again, we have done percentages based question, and the last one, guys, it's something regarding the kind of like a geometry kind of question. I believe you all people have understood this. Yes or no? Clear? Thanks for watching this thing, guys. Okay, so this is the end of the session. Today evening you have the session clocks. In which batch? 6 p.m. batch. And in the next 8 p.m. batch, you have the topic called calendars. And this whole week you will be having the quant, where you have in the time, speed and distance, following everybody in an 8 o'clock batch, following everybody. Now many more topics have to go in the evening batches, following everybody. So we will catch you in the evening batch, everybody. Clear? And the people who are interested to join this kind of course, you can just try to see the like a description mein link rahega. Okay, you just try to come over there, or you can call also students. Clear? So catch you in the evening. Okay, and if you have not shared this video, please try to share this video and like this video. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Meet you at 6 o'clock, following everybody. Thank you very much.